if you're not already aware, Apple has made some pretty significant and cool updates to the battery settings in your iPhone. And these updates are specifically going to help increase the lifespan of your battery. So, not just how many hours you can get from one charge, but how many years can you get out of your iPhone and before the battery goes bad. So let me go ahead and show you some of the different settings here, and I'll also kind of go ahead and show you what I choose to do with mine. So we want to go into settings, and then we want to go to battery. And then in here, we can see all of this data. I can make another video in the future about this, but really what we want to go into is the option down here where it says charging. This is where you're going to be able to make some pretty significant changes that will hopefully increase the lifespan of your battery. So first thing we can see here is we have this scale, right? What a charge limit is going to do is it's going to keep your phone from charging all the way up to 100%, because sometimes apparently charging your phone all the way up to 100% will actually decrease the lifespan of your battery. So if you want to leave it at 100%, one of the options that you do have here is by optimizing the battery charging. And that's what I would recommend. If you're not going to decrease the limit here, then I would at least turn on optimized battery charging, right? What this is basically going to do is before it gets to 100%, it's going to allow the iPhone to wait to finish charging past 80% until the time that you need to use it. So they have some intelligent analytics going on here that will help determine that. Okay, I would also turn on clean energy charging. This isn't going to help make your iPhone battery lifespan increased at all. This is just to basically decrease your personal global footprint. Here is what I would do instead of going to 100%, because at the end of the day, this is an iPhone 15, I believe I have, and I don't need 100% battery life. It's really good. So what I would do is actually decrease this down to 90%. And this to me is something that, my phone already recommended that I do 90%. It gives me like a little notification. So you might have gotten that notification as well, but it will pick up on your charging habits. And if you're somebody who's charging every single night, like I put mine on a dock every single night, and it's not good for the lifespan of the battery to constantly be charging every single night up to 100%. Wanted to come on, give you kind of a quick rundown, a quick tutorial about these new features and different options that you have to choose from. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.